How to recover permanently deleted photos on an iPhone from years ago. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to recover permanently deleted photos on an iPhone from years ago. First, open the Photos app on your iPhone. Now, select a photo and tap the bin icon to delete it. If you want to recover it, scroll down to reach the recently deleted folder. Next, use Touch ID to view this album. Then choose the photo or video you want to recover. At the bottom, tap Recover to get it back. To delete it permanently, tap Delete and delete it from all devices. After that, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Go to your Apple account, scroll down, and tap the iCloud option. Here, tap Photos and make sure to toggle on the Sync this iPhone button. Navigate to your browser and search for iCloud. Next, open the iCloud website from the first link. Then tap on Sign In and use your fingerprint to sign in. Once you're done, you will see all the apps with the iCloud backup. Now, go to the Photos app. You will find all the photos in this section and recover by downloading them to your device. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.